Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GEVO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one. So why don't I get some levels of support and resistance mapped out here as we head into the weekend. Now, to just kind of summarize today's price movement in trading terminology, this is what would be known as a gap and trap. What do I mean by that in case maybe you're new to charts and new to just trading? Well, on Thursday, the price closed all the way down here. And then this morning on Friday, the price opened right there, which is, up higher than where it was, hence a gap up. And then after the opening bell rang, the price behaved nicely. It started to move and get higher and higher and higher. And then this is where things get really nasty because poor souls were buying up around here. And then after that, it was just basically selling pressure that, put the price all the way back to, its current range on the chart. Now, that doesn't mean that the entire chart's epically destroyed, but that is the gap and trap that has took place. And this is also where a very important level comes into play now from a support side of things. And that level is down here at $1.15. Why is $1.15 so important? And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to actually happen, but if the price were to come down to $1.15 and then break down below it, what would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of this range where it was before the big movement happened today. Or said another way, that would imply that the price exploded up. Whoops, that was supposed to be white. There we go. That would be, saying that the price exploded upwards and then went right back to where it was, which, again, that's just not a sign of, power or strength, by any scope of the definition. Now, to be fair, like I said, I'm not saying that's going to happen. Maybe the price decides it wants to just start to work its way back upwards. And that is where the key level of resistance now has become very apparent. And that level right up here at the $1.40 mark, which the price very temporarily got above it right there. And then it went right back to acting as resistance just like it's done before. So $1.40 public enemy number one going into next week. But things are looking a little shaky right now, but we'll see if the price can recover. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.